I'm a huge fan of the zero water systems and their branded filters. I've been using their in-fridge dispensers for many years now, and I've just recently upgraded to the larger model. Unfortunately, where I live, we have extremely hard water, though, with high mineral content that leaves calcium residue on everything, and it makes it so that I have to change filters more often than where I've lived previously. Obviously, when you're looking at any water filtration system, the cost per gallon is always going to be really important. And after a few weeks of using these now, I'm extremely happy with the value that they provide. The quality of water is absolutely excellent. I cannot tell any difference in the performance or the longevity of these, and they seem to be really well made too, and they fit right into the zero water system perfectly. You really couldn't tell the difference. I'll definitely be ordering the larger case of these soon, and I plan to use them into the future. I hope this was a useful, quick opinion from a longtime zero water system user. Stay hydrated out there. Thanks for watching.